TNT ligwak na po sa top 3 nito ating power ranking. Barangay Ginebra kaya nasa top 3 pa rin kabola. At kilalanin nyo ang number 1 sa defensive rating po ngayon na player na si JB Baguio. Gaano po ba siya kagaling? At alam nyo ba na may isa pong player currently averaging kabola an efficiency of 85% in the field kabola. And then alamin itong mga trade suggestions po para sa Converge Ginebra kabola. So may di ba subscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So let's start po with this power ranking. At number 13 natin will be Macau kabola. So unfortunately for them, they just got their first victory. Pero sobrang lalim na po na naman nila sa ating pong standings. So kung sa palagay mo bangon pa po itong Macau, I highly doubt it kabola. Although may mga paparating nga daw po silang malaki. Yeah. Number 12 po natin is Titan. So Titan galing kabola na sa baba din po ng ating standings. Isa sa mga teams na currently tinitignan kabola ng madaming teams. Kasi tinatarget nila ito pong si Joshua Munzon. And again, paulit-ulit ko na pong sinabi, Joshua Munzon is a special player kabola na wala namang mali sa ginagawa po ng Titan kung sinasadya man po nila or hindi. Ito pong kanilang pagkatalo kasi they can try to get that number 2 pick kabola sa paparating na draft, and that could be life-changing if this draft talaga ends up to be a DJ Fener kay Manny Ladi type of draft kabola. Kasi yung Ladi at Fener, they could be on another level as a prospect kabola. Let's go now to our number 11. That will be Terra Firma Jeep. Now, Terra Firma Jeep currently is led, of course, by Wami Chongson, who is back on his ace player type of aura. Currently averaging 20 points, 3.2 rebounds, 3.2 assists. Wami Chongson is doing it all in another level po. Natulad lang din po na ginagawa niya dati before siya na-trade sa San Miguel Beermen. And of course, in a way that is shocking, di ba? Kasi 2 years ago pa yun and still his play is still there. Which means, di ba, marami po siguro sa mga bangko ngayon, sa mga super loaded team, ang capable pa rin sana na maging starter po sa ibang team. Number 10 natin will be the Blackwater Bossing, who is currently 2-2 in the supposed group of death kabola, kung saan nandun sina Meralco, Rain or Shine, Barangay Ginebra at Magnolia. With that 2-2 record, they have now a chance kabola to enter the playoffs. Although matagal po, malayo pa po ito pong playoffs. Now Blackwater, statistically wise, they are doing well and they are showing depth, and the way they play under Coach Pat Aquino, they're really playing very well. Number 9 natin will be Magnolia Hotshots. At ito na nga kabola, ang currently po most efficient player in the PBA and maybe in a tournament in the history of this league kung ma-maintain niya to. Ito pong si Ian Sanggalang is currently at 86% efficiency. That is out of this world kabola. Imagine hitting 9 out of your 10 shots in a game. Ibang level po itong narating po ng isang Ian Sanggalang. The question is, can he keep it up? Kabola, kasi if he can keep it up, that will be a very, very unique weapon dito po sa arsenal ng Magnolia. Although, of course, kilala na si Ian Sanggalang in the past being an efficient player, pero yung maabot 80% shooting, that is another level. Number 8 natin will be Meralco Bolts kabola. Meralco Bolts parang Magnolia rin yung galawan, di ba? Yung mga fans ng Meralco Bolts, ganun din eh. Sila din is clamoring for a change. Tulad po ng mga fans po ng Magnolia Hotshots, kaka-champion nga lang po ng Meralco 3 years ago kabola, pero hindi na nasunda-sundan yun, and now they're still trying hard kabola na yung kanilang internal development. Nakita nila si Jay Cancino is developing well. Jason Brickman, bantayin si Jason Brickman. He is starting to hit up, si Jason Brickman. Number 7 natin, overtaking those two will be Phoenix kabola. Bakit po natin number 7 ang Phoenix? They have great stats right now, pero what is making them really special po talaga yan is their import BJ Johnson. I think I'm really impressed sa nakikita natin kay BJ Johnson. He can do it all. He does it very well on both ends. Kumbaga, parang kumbaga, I know, baka magalit ka. Sa mga fans po ng Ginebra, itong babanggitin ko po na comparison, pero para po siyang Justin Brownlee Light. Ito pong si BJ Johnson. Panoorin nyo, basta panoorin nyo po siya kabala. Number 6 and currently is unti-unti na pong bumami po nilang mga injury. 8 nilang sentro. Panoorin mo yan, sa depensa, he can move his feet very well. Kabala. And he is currently shooting 50% from the 3-point shot. 6'8", 50% from the 3-point line. Oh man, that could be money in the playoffs. Number 5 natin, kabala, will be Alex. So, Alex right now is the only undefeated team left in the PBA at 4-0. That is truly a special run. And one of the underrated reason right now for Alex is their defense. Siguro yung offense, bantay na bantay mo, di ba? Kasi parang ganda ng laruan ni Winston Kabala, ang ganda ng laruan ni Bolik. Kabala, pero their defense is actually, yung defensive rating na is number 1. And alam nyo ba kung sino po yung number 1 ngayon sa defensive rating na player? It is JB Baguio. Gusto mo makita kung gaano siya special sa defense? Ito po yung Kabala, tignan nyo kung how he stopped the import George King of San Miguel Beerman. That is a special scoring talent, George King. He was met with also a special defensive talent. The way he crossed that one, the way po that he limited po that drive po by George King, that is special, man. Hindi to nang bobola, special to, magaling to, itong si JB Baguio. Gusto niyo pa example, ito naman, kay Don Troliano naman, another fierce slasher. Tignan nyo kung paano niya po i-stop itong slash po ng isang Don Troliano. Ganyan po, I mean, basta there's something special with the way JB Baguio plays. Ito kanyang depensa po na itong kabola, di ba? Number 4 natin will be TNT. Kabola. Yes, laglag na nga po sa top 3 natin. Ito pong TNT po. Bakit po natin nilaglag itong TNT? Kabola, it is the addition po or combination of two things. Ano po yung nag-combine na two things? Una, again, paulit-ulit ko na po itong sinasabi. Kabola, ang TNT po ngayon ang may pinaka mabigat ang mileage sa sunod-sunod po nilang finals appearance. Kabola, and that's a big deal. And also, of course, yung pangit po na play ng kanilang import. Kaya naman, tignan natin ito pong trade suggestion ni John Cosio. Sabi po dito, Christian David daw sa TNT, kapalit ng future first at second round pick po ng Blackwater. Sabi niya, future first and second round pick. Is this a fair exchange? For me, this is a fair exchange, diba? Christian David looks very special. Kabala, pero pag tinignan mo po yung stats niya, it is not amazing. Hindi siya yung agad mo masasabi, future superstar ito. Hindi po. Pag titignan mo po yung stats, kaya naman, kung may mag-offer ng first round pick sa kanya, dapat kunin na po yan ng Blackwater. Number 3 natin, na nakabasok po sa number 3 natin, is no other than Converge, Kabala, who is currently 3-1. Even with a bad import play by Jalen Hodgson. Although, defensively, Hodgson is fine, pero offensively, talagang halos wala po siyang ipoprovide. Parang yung dati lang din nilang import. Pero ngayon, Kabala, Converge also decided to replace him. Pero, another reason kaya confident na ako to put them at number 3, because Justin Arana has arrived, Kabala. Arana, the mini Junmar Pajardo has arrived, Kabala, and he is really scoring very, very, very well, and they do need that scoring. Here is a trade suggestion connected to Converge. Cedric Beerfield daw, kapalit po ni Williams or Mikey Williams, Kabala. This is, in a way, interesting. Kasi parang proven guy for an unproven guy. And of course, obviously, because of the age, ang panalo po dito is Converge. So, let's just hope hindi po ito mangyari po na trade. And I doubt din naman. Kasi nga po, Mikey Williams, yung kontrata nito medyo malaki-laki po. Number 2 natin is still Ginebra. Bakit po Ginebra? 1-2 po sila. Kabola, anong meron sa Ginebra? Favorite ko ba yung Ginebra? Hindi naman. Kabola, diba? Hindi naman po sa favorite ko. Pero pag titignan mo po kasi yung statistics right now, Ginebra is still a top 3 defense. Even at that 1-2 record. So doon mo makakita, statistically wise, Ginebra is still playing well. At sanay naman na tayo, di ba? Napangit umpisa ng Ginebra po sa elimination round and then bigla-bigla makaka-finals. Coach Tim Cohn, ilang beses na nating napanood po yung ganitong klase po ng script from Ginebra play. So, hindi na magulat. And number 1 natin still will be San Miguel Beermen. Kabola. Simplehan lang natin. Bakit po San Miguel Beermen? San Miguel Beermen with a top 5 import. Kabola, hindi ba yan yung magiging number 1 mo? Hirap yan. May hirapan kang magrason na to put them at number 1 if they have a top 5 import. Makasama po ni Pajardo at ni CJ Perez, ni Don Troliano. Mahirapan ka talaga. You know, Jerick Hanmis is also there. And they playing him and he's doing very well. Hirap talaga. Hirap ka mag-decide na hindi po i-number 1 ang San Miguel. Sino number 1 mo? Kami na po sa baba.